Hello, this is Hanif. Welcome to the Live Coding channel. And in this tutorial series, you'll learn Python by doing some great exercises. So let's get started. Please do subscribe on my channel and click on the notification icon to get latest video updates. In exercise 5, we need to write a program that will take the user's input as an integer number and then display the factorial of that number. So let's see how to do that. In exercise 5, we need to take an input from the user, and then after that we need to calculate the factorial of the number. So first we need to take that number as an integer. So input, enter the number, okay, and then after that we need to call a recursive function, and that will do our factorial task. So and for this we need to define that function. So I am defining it like fact. Okay, so another thing is that the factorial of 0 is equal to 1, not factorial 0. So if the value that if the user enter as 0 as the input number, so it should return 1, not 0. So if x is equal to 0, so it should return the factorial value as 1. Okay, and in other cases it should return something like that. It's a recursive formula, so it will basically do like x into fact of x minus 1. Okay, and this will actually give the factorial. So how does this thing works basically? So factorial of 4 is something like 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. Okay, so how this function actually works? So suppose the user give an input like x, and that is 4. So how this function will actually work? So it will like factorial, so fact of x. Okay, we call that function fact here, like it is a give like 4, and we call that function, right? So what it does, so so that 4 factorial will be first of all factorial of 4. Okay, so what it does, so as it is not 0, so it will come to this line, so it will be like 4 into fact of 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, then again it is not 0, then it again come to this line here, again this function basically. So as it is not 0, so it will come to here, so it will be like 3 factorial 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, then again 4 into 3 into fact, so as it is not 0, so it will come to this line again, so it will be like 2 into fact of 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, so again 4 into 3 into 2 into then it is again it's not 0, so it will be 1 into fact of 0. Okay, so then it comes like 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into, now as it is now 0, so it will return 1. So factorial of 0, it should return 1. So you will find that it will return like 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. So it will return 24, and that is our factorial value. Okay, I give it a comment. Now we need to print that value here. So the factorial is factorial. Okay, so factorial. Now if you now run it and give it like 4, so you can see it's 24. If we again run it, give it like 5, so it will be 120. So by this way we basically can calculate the factorial of any number, and that's it, how it works. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Hope this helped. Thank you.